Good evening, students. Now, paper number 41, CHSL, 41 paper, question numbers 26 onwards come under this reasoning section. Here's question number 26, letter analogies. Now, in this one, GUQL, whenever analogies is given, always write one below the other. ఇలా రాసుకుంటారు కదా, GUQL and MSXK. MSXK. Then in the same way, TL and Q is related to what? Now, Japan G and M. What is the relation between these two? Yes, any logic in this one? No. G and L and M, if you observe here, L, the next letter to L is M. L plus 1 is M. And Q plus 2 are S. And U plus 3 X. And plus 4 K. Hence, for these letters, 4, 3, 2, 1 letters are added and they were written in the reverse order. And similarly here again, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. Now Q plus 1 is R, N plus 2 is P, L plus 3 is O, and T plus 4 is X. RPOX, that is choice 1, question number 26. Now the difference between the letters are 4, 3, 2, 1, they are written in the reverse order. Then coming to this question number 27. Now in this 27, now we need to find out the odd one. NQUKST. NQUKST. Then now N and K. N and K, tell me what is the difference we have between these two? Now 14 and 11, that is minus 3. And Q and S minus 2. U and T minus 1. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Similarly here again, Q, K, R. And what is the element given? NHQ. Now Q and N, 17 and 14 minus 3, K and 11 and 8. 11 and 8 ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి, minus 3. అవునే కదా. Next one, R and Q is minus 1. Hence what is your answer here? Answer ఏమవుతుంది మరి? ఇంకోటి చెక్ చేయాలి. ఒకటేమో 3, 2, 1 ఉంది, ఇంకోటేమో 3, 3, 1. ఇంకోటి 3, 2, 1 వస్తే 3, 3, 1 is the odd one. ఇంకోటి 3, 3, 1 వస్తే 3, 2, 1 is the odd one. Then the next one, XLI. XLI UNH. Now in this one, X and U difference is so much, minus 3. L and N difference is so much, plus 2. M and Q R S. ఇక్కడ plus 2 కదా మనకి. And I and H. I and H it is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Here it is minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. This is the odd one. And should answer is choice 3, question number 27. Then 28. Now this snail comes under the family called mollusca. And similarly this spider comes under which category? And arthropoda. And 28 it is choice 1. Then coming to question number 29. 29 chesara? 29. Now we need to find out the mirror image to this one. Now mirror image to this, in the mundi ekkada discuss chesam, an idea unda? Mirror image. Clocks. Now what is the time given in this one? Indra time enth undi cheppandi idi? Time enth undi? 7:10. Now the time is 7:10. Now we need to find out its mirror image. Mirror image, time in the mirror. Ela vastundi 11:60 minus the given time. 11:60 minus 7:10. Now 60 minus 10 is 50. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now the time must be 4:50. Now among the given choices, 4:50 is given in which choice? Choice D is the answer. Saripinda leda? Then this is about question number 29. Then coming to question number 30. 30th chesara? Now in this 30, what is the information given in this one, 30th? Now the ratio of the present ages of G and H is so much, 5:9. Present ages is 5:9. Now present age, let us take 5p by 5, 9p. Ante kada? 9. The ratio is 5:9. And 5 years ago annadu kada, 5 years ago means minus 5 and minus 5. And what is the ratio at the time? 1:2, 1/2. Then if you cross, and 10p minus 10 equals to how much? 9p minus 5. Hence, what is your answer here? And p equals to how much? P equals to 5. If p equals to 5, then what is the sum of the current ages? Now current ages is how much? 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is how much? 14. Now 14 into 5, how much is that? 70, that is choice 4, question number 30. Then 31st, Now there are some 4 people, out of which there are 2 men and 2 women were seated in a restaurant, and they were seated the north, east, south and west directions. Now these persons 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 persons are seated at east, west, north and south, and no woman was facing east. As no woman was facing east, the one who is facing towards east is a male. Ante kada? And next one, person sitting opposite to each other were not of the same gender. As this person is a male, this person obviously must be a female. The next one of the man was facing south and this person is facing towards south, and that person is a man and this person must be a female. Then which directions were the woman facing? Now woman is facing towards west and this woman is facing towards north. And north and west, that is choice 1, question number 31. 31, choice 1. Then 32nd, it is based on Venn diagram. Now in this Venn diagram, singers, Homo sapiens, and cricketers. Majapan, what is your answer in this case? No, second one. Now what do you mean by this one? Oh, and Homo sapiens is nothing but human beings. Now singers, there are some singers, and cricketers, some singers can be cricketers, some cricketers can be singers, and both the singer as well as cricketers belongs to group called Homo sapiens. Clear? Hence what is your answer? Choice 2 is the answer. मैं ఇలా తీసుకోకూడదు, కొంతమంది ఇలా తీసుకుంటున్నారు, సింగర్ సెపరేట్గా and at the same time cricketer separately తీసుకుంటున్నారు, Homo sapien ఇలా తీసుకుంటున్నారు. You are not supposed to take like that, because there is a possibility of some singers can be cricketers or not, some cricketers can be singers or not. Hence there is a possibility of intersection between these two, and singer and cricketer can be intersected. Then choice 2. Then coming to question number 33. Now in this 33, all these elements should be arranged in the dictionary order. Now dictionary order, tell me what is the first one we have? And first one is AGA. Now AGA comes, 3 comes first and followed by 5, 3, 5. Next one is what? Next one is AGG, that is 4. 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4, that is given in choice 1, question number 33. The next one 34. Now in this 34, VPN LKL. Again we need to find out the odd one here. VPN and LKL. Then tell me what is the difference we have? V and L. 22 and 12. That is the difference is how much? Minus 10. P and K minus 5. 16 and 11. N and L minus 2. And there go 14 and 12. And similarly the second one, if you observe here, ROX and JHV. Now JHV, R and H. What is the difference between these two? 18 and 8. The difference is 10. 15 and 10 minus 5. 24 and 22 minus 2. Here again the difference is 10, 5, 2, 10, 5, 2. Then YTF, and what is the next one we have? OOND. YTF, OOND. Y and O, tell me what is the difference? 25 and 15. The difference is how much? Minus 10. Again 10 and 5. The difference is minus 5. And 6 and 4, 2. And it's minus 10, minus 5, minus 2. And finally QSC and G and B, G and B. Q and G, what is the difference we have between these two? 17 and 7 minus 10. 19 and 14 minus 5. And C and B, ఇక్కడ ఎంత రావాలి? minus 1 వచ్చింది. Here we need to have minus 2. Hence except choice 4. The remaining 3 are following the same pattern. Hence choice 4 is the odd one. Then 34, it is choice 4. Then coming to this 35 here, figure folding and cutting. Now in this, what happened? First, vertical it is folded, then it has been folded horizontally. While unfolding, ఎలా చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఇది రివర్స్లో రావాలి. Hence this element must be there. That means first the mirror image to this one. Mirror image to this one ఎలా రావాలి చెప్పండి? And these two are the elements. అంతే కదా? Mirror image. నా ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి పైకి రావాలి అంటే వాటర్ ఇమేజ్ టు దిస్. Water image to this one should be like this. And so what is your answer here? No, choice 3 is the answer. Now 1 and 3 almost seems to be the same. But it's here, these two must be horizontal to each other. Ikkademo horizontal, all these are vertical to each other. Then, hence choice 3, question number 35. Then 36th one. Question number 36. 1105 star and so on. Then first one into 1105 into 65 into 65 minus plus and division. Now 25 divided by 5. How much is that? 5. అంతే కదా. అండ్ 1100 into 65 ఉంది. అందరూ ఇక్కడ పోతే అట్ ద మోస్ట్ ఒకటి పోయింది అనుకుందాం. 1105 ఇంకెంత మిగిలిపోయింది? 1105 into 64. ఇట్స్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ నెంబర్. ఇట్ కెనాట్ బి 727. మరి ఫాలో అయ్యారా లేదా? దెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. నౌ 1105 divided by 65. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ అండ్ ఇంటూ. దెన్ 1105 divided by 65. Tell me what is the value we have? మా ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? And plus 835 and 25 into 5 is minus 125. Minus 125, this is 605. How many times it goes? 65. 65 once and 1. 65, 650 and this one. 50 now? 17. Now 17 plus 835 minus 125. Are you getting the value or not? 727, that is choice 2 is the answer, 36. Then 37, EGJN, EGJN, GDNI, GDNI. And in the same way, JLOS, then what should be the next one? Now, G remains the same, N remains the same. Second element shifted to the first place remains the same. Fourth shifted to the third place, same. Now here, L shifted to the first place and S shifted to the third place. Then coming to this one, first element, minus 1, J minus 1 is I, and J and I, again minus 1, O minus 1. How much? N. LISN, choice 1, question number 37. First letter, third letter, minus 1, shifted to second and the fourth places. The remaining two shifted to the previous place, same letter. The next one, question number 38. Now in this 38, any answer to this one, 38? Now here, narcotic is written as, now, ikkada okasari chudandi. Now what is the letter that is repeated here? C is the letter that is repeated. As C is at the fourth place and at the eighth place in the word narcotic. Avuna kada? Now what is there at the third place? H. Eighth place lo em cheppandi? And, no, sorry. Narcotic is at the fourth place and eighth place. Fourth place lo em undi? E. Eighth place lo E. That means wherever C is there, in the place, in the same place, E is also present. That means the letters and the codes are directly given. Avuna kada? Then, next one, monitor. Now monitor, there is no letter called M, hence let us leave this one aside. Next one, MONITOR. ikkada O em undi cheppandi, ikkada O ki code em vastundi? O ki code 1 to B. B is the code, here again B is the code. Avuna kada? And next one, N. What is the code for N? The code for N is C. The code for I is what? I is H. And T is what? And T is F. And R, the code for R is the third element, that is H. Hence B, I ki code em cheppandi? I ki code H. Now here, NARCOTIC, and its code is CGHECGHE BFHE. BFHE. Saripinda? BFH. Then what is the code to the word monitor? Monitor code em cheppandi? Then MONITOR. Any answer to this one here? R and C same vastunayi ikkada. And R and I. R and I, again we are getting the same. What is the value of R? 18. 18 means 1 plus 8 is 9. And I is also 9th letter. Saripinda leda? And similarly here again, me ippudu cheppandi, monitor, the code for O is what? O is B. And N is C. Now B and C. And I is what? I is H. And T is F. And O is B. And the code for R is H. Now tell me what is the answer? BCH, FBH. BCH, FBH only in choice 3. Now M will be D. Saripinda? Then coming to question number 39. Now in this 39th one, 64, ma chesara leda idi? Now 64 into 2 enta? Yes, 64 into 2, 128. Where is 128? 128 written in the reverse order. Now 38 into 2, 76 written in the reverse order. And similarly here, 98 into 2, 98 into 2, 196 written in the reverse order. 48 into 2, 78 into 2, Osunda, 88 into 2. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 1 is the answer. No, twice the first number written in the reverse as the second number. Now that is question number 39. Next, 40th. Now in this 40. Now total elements contain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now 16 elements were there, then we need to divide this one under 4 into 4 category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now what is the first element? Q, R, S, T. These are the first letters. And next one, S, K, B, R. Here kuda manaki KB is common. KB is common. Here also KBR and KBR. And so what is your answer? KB, RS, KB. KB, RS, KB, choice 1, question number 40. 40 it is choice 1. Then 41st. Now in this 41, 306 S. S stands for what? S stands for division. Now 306 divided by 3. Then Q stands for subtraction, minus 8. And R stands for multiplication. And S stands for division. And P stands for what? And P stands for addition. And Q stands for subtraction. And 306 divided by 3. And 102. Minus 8 into 20. 8 into how much? 8 into 20 divided by 5. That is 4. The first division 20 divided by 5 is 4. And plus 67 minus 18. Tell me what is the value you got here? 102 plus 67. How much is that? 169. Minus 32 plus 18. 32 plus 18, 50. Then what is the difference we have? 119. Choice 3, question number 41. Then coming to question number 42. Yes, 42, tell me how many triangles are we getting? Ma, 15 vachayo, 13 vachayo? 15, good. Now 15, ela vastunnayi 15. Now first these 3. Now here in this one, how many are there? 3. 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Idemo okati, idemo second one, total 3. And here there are 3. Next one. Ikkada malli, idi kuda same triangle kada? 1 and this is 2 and the total bigger one is another 3. And in total this is 3 and here again there are 3. Now we have 6. And 6th about inke unnai? 7, 8, 9, 10. Saripenda? 7, 8, 9. Next one, ido undi kada 3. Avuna kada? Then next 1, 2, 3. Inko 3 add in. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Plus 10, 11, 12, 13. And solve together, how many we have? 13 were there. Then where can we find the another 2? Now the bigger one. Combination of all this. Ido okati. And next one 14 and this is 15. Saripenda? Then 15, that is choice for question number 42. Then 43. Now 43 Japan. 5th day of a month is Wednesday. Then which of the following will be 7th day from 21st of that month? Ma 21st of that month anna. 21st ki em kavali? 7th day. 21st ki 7th day ante 21 plus 7, 28th day. Avuna kada? 28th day. Ippudu manaki em ichchadu? 5th ichchadu. 28th day. And 5th is 28 into how many days are there? And if you subtract 5, the difference is how much? 23. Now 23rd day. 23rd day and em vastundi? 23. 23 means how many odd days? 2 odd days. Now 2 days to Wednesday, that is Friday, choice 3. Saripinda? Then, ikkada em ichchadu cheppandi? 5th day ichchadu. Manaku kavalsindi anta 28th. Now 5th day is given, 5th is Wednesday. Now we need to find out 28th. Now 5th నుంచి 28 అంటే ఇంక ఎన్ని రోజులు ఉన్నాయి? 23 days. 23లో ఎన్ని odd days ఉంటాయి? 2 odd days. Hence we need to add 2 days to Wednesday, that is Friday, choice 3, 43. Then 44, it is based on Venn diagram. Now in this Venn diagram, table, stationery and carpet. Now tell me, is there any intersection between these two? Is there any common between these two elements? Table is different, item, stationery is different, and carpet is different. And this is table and stationery and this is carpet. Choice 1 is the answer. And some tables cannot be stationary. Some stationary cannot be carpet. అవునా కదా? 44 it is choice 1. Then coming to question number 45. Now in this 45, how many persons are there? 5 persons. D, E, F, G, H are kept one above the other. And only H is between E and F. H is between E and F and H ekkada unte E and F. ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు. Or E కింద ఉంటే H and F will be like this. Maybe F is above this H or below this H, it is not given. And F is below E అన్నాడు. F is below E means this case is ruled out. And D is 3 places below H. 1, D is 3 places below H. D is 3 places below H. 1, 2, 3, D is here. And how many persons are in between E and D? మా ఈకి డీకి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి. 1, 2, 3, 3 members. 3, that is choice 1. 45 it is choice 1. సరిపోయిందా? Then 46th one. Now in a certain code language, what is the code for try అడిగాడు. Now where is try here? Now we have try at this place. అవునా కదా? ఇక్కడ కూడా try ఉంది. Now if you compare these two, pig true try, rat try real, try is the word that is common, and one code must be common. What is the code? PORDTY, PORD. Hence PO is common, the code for try is PO. PO choice 3, 46. Then 47, R and O. R and O, 18, 15 minus 3. 15, 11 minus 4. 11 and 6 minus 5. Next minus 6, Z. Z minus 7. 26 minus 7. 19th that is S. First letter is what? S. The difference between the letters is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now B and E. 2 and 5 plus 3. 5 and 9 plus 4. 9 and 14 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 20 plus 7, 27, that is A. S and A. Then the last element. T and R. T and R minus 2. R and P minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, L minus 2, Z. S, A, Z. Choice 2, question number 47. The next one, 48. Now Asha's only son Sahil is the grandson of whom? Is the grandson of Santi. Now Asha is having Asha's only son Sahil. Asha is here. Now this person Asha is having only one son, that is Sahil. And Sahil is a male. And Asha's only son Sahil is the grandson of whom? Now Sahil is the grandson of Shanti. And Indu is the only daughter of Ajay. Ajay who is the only son of Shanti. Now Ajay is the only son of Shanti and father of Sahil. Now Ajay is the father of Sahil అన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ లింక్ ఇచ్చాడు. Ajay is a male and Asha is a female. These two are married to each other. And Ajay is the only son of Shanti and Shanti will be here. అవునా కదా? And what is the question we have? How is Asha related to Shanti? Shanti is son's wife. Son's wife is daughter-in-law. That is choice 4, question number 48. Shanti's son is Ajay. Ajay's wife is Asha. That is son's wife. Son's wife is daughter-in-law, choice 4. Then coming to question number 49. Now in this 49, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are seated around a circular table. There are some 8 persons seated around a circular table. All the persons are facing towards the center. And Y is 4 to the right of V. 4 to the left or 4 to the right is nothing but they are opposite to each other. Isn't it? And V who is south to the right of S. V is south to the right of S means S will be here. And T is seated second to the left of X. X is seated second to the left of S. X is here, second to the left of S, and T is at this place. And U is south to the right of Z. U is south to the right of Z. Z is here, U will be here. U is south to the right of Z. U is south to the right of whom? South to the right of Z. Then, what is your answer here? Which of the following are the? Then who is the person left over? మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు చెప్పండి? W is the person left over. Then who are the immediate neighbors of Z? మా Zకి immediate neighbors ఎవరు చెప్పండి? W and V. W and V, that is given in choice 3, 49. సరిపోయిందా? Then 50th. Now in this 50, my 12 first digit. In this one and the first digit in the first number is added to the first digit of the third number to write as the first digit. Then 2 plus 1 మళ్ళీ 3. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then మీకు ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 5 plus 3 8 written at the last. కనుక sum of the first digits written at the second place. sum of the second digits written at the first place. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి 5 plus 9 14, 14 written at the first place. అమ్మా బ్రేకింగ్ అంటే మనకి డిజిట్ లాజిక్లోకి వెళ్ళట్లేదు కదా మనం. ఆర్ నో షూర్ నా 12 plus 21 ఎంత చెప్పండి 33. 55 plus 39 వస్తుందా రావట్లేదు. దెన్ 12 plus 55 plus 93. What is 55 plus 93? 148. అంతేనా 55 plus 93 148 వస్తుందా లేదా. Now the last number and here 55 and here 12 కింద ఎంత చెప్పండి రివర్స్ చేస్తే 21 plus 12 33 and here 55 ఇక్కడ 39 రివర్స్ చేస్తే 93 సరిపోయిందా. and here 87 78 when reversed is 87 and 19 when reversed is 91. Then what is the sum of these two? ఎంత వస్తుంది and 178 ఉందా లేదా. yes 178 that is given in choice 2. మన నెంబర్ మనం స్ప్లిట్ చేయలే. then now both the numbers are reversed and then they were added. Now this is about paper number 41.